Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this little lighter. It's an arc lighter, calling down the powers from the gods. Electricity. Stick around. Tick, 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 boom. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Appreciate you being here. Today we're going to take a look at this little lighter. What makes this one a little bit different is it has no flame, but it has little electrical arcs that cross back and forth, and it works like a charm. Alright guys, so let's take a quick look at some of the features. First, it is big, bright, and orange, which makes it very easy to see, very easy to hold, and it locks so it can't be opened unless it is unlocked like that. You hit the little button that says push, bam, pops open automatically with a spring load, and then all you have to do is hit the button right here. See if I can get it in here. I don't know if you can see that, but there are an X of arcing electricity which burns up to about 1100 degrees. So this is an all electric. There is no fuel. It is rechargeable by a mini USB port right here. Plug it into your wall, and it's good up to about what it says is 90 lights if you hold it for about 8 seconds each. I've had this, I've been using it for about 3 weeks now. I have not recharged it yet. I haven't taken account of how many times I've lit it, but it's been quite a bit. It hasn't failed me yet. And today I want to show you some of the things that I have used to use this to light with. So let's get down here and start some fires. Let's go over a few different things that I've used to light fires with, and we're going to start at the very simple and we're going to work our way up. So first up, toilet paper. Seem no problems there. Throw it in the fire pit. Whew. We just got a little hunk of paper that I pulled off of a cat food can. Starts up. No problem. Hot. We got a man-made fire starter that I used to make here. Fail. Here's an off-the-shelf tinder, man-made. I think it's the Duraflame tinders. Ooh, just like that. 2 seconds. Bam. Throw that over there because that's hotter than heck. Fire fuzz. Man, these things are so awesome. Just squishy. Lit up like that. That's hot. That's crazy. Jute twine. Jute twine like that. Whew, hot. Made some quick feather sticks. One of my favorites, tulip poplar bark. Just like that. A waxed candle. No problem. A little bit of fat wood. And lastly, and not least, the black and white wood tinder blend. And it took it pretty gosh darn good as well. Oh wow, that's really cool, Madison. It lit up all those tinders and it's really cool looking. How tough is it? I don't know. Let's see if it's waterproof. Still works. Just like that. No recovery time whatsoever. Dropped it in open. Ready to go right out of the bucket. Know what else I like about this thing, guys? It lights inside, outside, upside, downside, all ways. Look. It'll like right side up. It'll light upside down. It's windproof. And it still works. It's waterproof. It isn't affected by the cold. This thing's really gosh darn good. I think it's gonna become part of my kit. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate you being here today. We went over a real quick review of the arc lighter, and this one I got from Black and White Firestarters. Now, the good point is this thing is pretty tough. And it lights up pretty much everything I threw at it, man-made and natural tinders. The bad part of it is it sinks like a rock. When I threw it in the bucket, bam, right to the bottom of the bucket, which I was really kind of hoping it was floating. But on the other good part, as long as you have this tethered to your body somehow, when you come back out, it doesn't matter if it's open or if it's not open, it will fire up as long as it's got a battery charge in it. So I'm going to leave that as it is. And thank you guys for stopping in. I appreciate everything that you do for me in this channel. I appreciate all the support, all the comments, all the likes, all the shares. Guys, do me a favor, hit the notification bell down there. Check me out on Instagram. That is Bombproof_Bushcraft, Bombproof_Bushcraft. And check me out on Facebook under Bombproof Bushcraft. You can check out Black and White Firestarters. They are on Instagram under Black and White Firestarters. They are also on Facebook. Look them up. Paul Corona, like I said, he's a friend of the channel. Black and White Firestarters, as far as the company, puts out phenomenal stuff. And I want to thank him again for letting me review this. And guys, until next week, get out of the inside and into the outside. Take care.